Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove a circle shape fill color using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a circle shape. Now I'll remove this shape fill color. First select this tools option and select this comment option. Now click on this shape and click right button, and here you will find this properties option and select appearance option, property dialog box, and fill color option. Select here no fill color. Now simply select OK and say this. There is no fill color, and also I'll use this shape fill color and click this color option. Now click on this gear option, settings, and this overall properties dialog box, and same way select here no color and select OK and see this. There is no fill color. And finally select this file option, save or save as LPDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.